Did I ever tell you about that time that I was happy? Well, I'm happy. So happy, yeah. I said I'm happy. So happy, yeah. That's what I tell myself. That's what I tell myself. That's what I tell myself. I think it's working. It is a good day. Such a good day. It is a good day. Such a good ass day. That's what I tell myself. That's what I tell myself. That's what I tell myself. I think it's working. Well, nothing could be further from the truth. We all know reality is just a matter of perception. But every time I get knocked down, I get back up, dust myself off, and hit the ground swinging. I just keep hoping one day I'll connect and knock that lame ass brother right out of the park. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be so very alright. It's gonna be alright. I think I'm happy. Because I'm happy. So happy, yeah. I said I'm happy. So happy, yeah. I'm so freaking happy.